Alright, in this video I'll be showing you how to load CherryProxy CDK and how to generate IP and use it in CherryProxy. Okay, so first thing we are going to do is to log on to the website, which is CherryProxy.com. okay, when you are on CherryProxy.com, you should make sure to sign up. Alright, you click on sign up and create an account. Okay, enter your email address, enter the password, confirm the password, then if you have an invitation code you can add, and click on register. Okay, but if you already have an account, you can just simply log in. Okay, click on login and log into your account. Okay, if you already have an account, let's log into mine. Alright, so once you have logged into your account, the next thing you are going to do, you see at this top right here, you click on it. Okay, click on it like that. It will take you to your dashboard. So it will take you to your dashboard. Once it brings you to your dashboard, now you are trying to load your you're trying to load an IP now for the gigabyte plan. This is what you are trying to load. As you can see here, I have 0.92 gig which has expired. Okay, so let me load another one to top it up so that you see. So the next, to top it up, look at the top left here. Alright, the top left, you see this menu bar, right? That's where you are going to click. You click on it. Okay, it's going to show you this page. Alright, it's going to show you something like this. So what you are going to do now is click on this CD key. Okay, click on CD key. Alright, so you click on CD key exchange. Okay, once you click on CD key exchange, you are going to see this page. Okay, so if you are buying the CD key, if you have the CD keys, where you are going to put it, you put it in this box. Alright, put it in this box. I will show you where to get the CD key. Okay, once you're on the page, right, so you get you put the CD key here. Okay, put the CD key here and let's paste the CD key. Okay, I'll paste the CD key. Right, click on exchange. Redemption successful. Okay, redemption successful. Okay, let's go and see our our balance now. So to check your balance, you come back to this rotating ISP proxy. Alright, so you come back to this rotating ISP proxy, click on it, load. Okay, you do now. Oh, sorry, to check your balance, just go to the residential proxies. Okay, residential proxies. Okay, click on residential proxies. Let me show you well. Click on this residential proxies. Okay, once you click on residential proxies, it's going to show you this page. Okay, you're going to see your balance here. You're going to see your balance. See, I had 0.92 before, now it's now 1.92 gig. Alright, so like I said, let me show you where to buy the CD key. Alright, you come to this website, theprice.com.ng. Alright, theprice.com.ng. Okay, then you search for CherryProxy. Okay, search for CherryProxy. Okay, see 1 gigabyte. So once you search for it, alright, CherryProxy. See, this is 1 gigabyte for CherryProxy. Okay, you click on this, click on it, then scroll down, then message, tap on this number 2 times, then to take you to the WhatsApp. Alright, it will take you to WhatsApp and you buy the CD key. Alright, you buy the CD key. So once you've bought the CD key, you take it to the CherryProxy website and redeem it just like I just did. Alright, just like I just did. So the next step is to generate an IP. Okay, the next step is to generate an IP. Okay, so now first thing you are going to do is to add sub account. Okay, you can use the sub account that's already there, but you can add sub account. Alright, add sub account. Click on add sub account. Okay, then you where is it? Click on add. Alright, once you click on add, you enter username, enter password, then you assign traffic. Okay, let's do this. Let's enter a username. Let's say small money. Okay, so let's enter a password. Okay, we have entered the password. Now you are going to allocate traffic. Okay, you are going to allocate traffic for every sub account. Okay, so let us allocate traffic to this. So let's allocate traffic. So I want to allocate 2 gigabyte to 200 MB to this profile. Okay, 200 MB, 200 MB. Okay. 200 MB I'm going to allocate to this profile. All right, see, you change to MB, you allocate 200 MB. Okay, then you click on create. Okay, so now that we've created, you see this sub account has been added. Okay, sub account has been added. So now the next thing we're going to do is come back to this endpoint generator. Click on endpoint generator. Okay, so once you click on endpoint generator, right, like look at it right here, endpoint generator. Okay, once you click on it, you come back to this page, then you select the sub accounts. Like this is the sub accounts I just created. Okay, this is the sub account I just created. You select it, you select the sub accounts, you hit on. If you have other sub account, you can just tap here and select the one that you want to select. Okay, you have to here, so I can select between any of them. Okay, so now you come down and select what's it called, and do your targeting. Let's say I'm trying to connect to United Kingdom. Okay, United Kingdom. All right, the states, let's say England. All right, the the city, let's say which city am I going to use. Okay, let's say anyone will come. Let's use this Wigan or something. Let's use this Wigan. No, let's use London. Okay, London. Okay, so we've selected the country, the state, the city. So now let us select the duration. Okay, you can have up to 120 minutes before it rotates. So let's use the highest listing, 120. All right, so the next thing is to you hit on, after you select select all this, you hit on generate. Okay, hit on generate. All right, so now we have generated the IP that we are going to use. Okay, we have generated the IP that we are going to use. Okay, so now you are going to copy this. All right, copy this. All right, if you are using an anti-tech browser, you can just use it straight up, but if you are not using an anti-tech browser, let me show you how to use it in Tune to Tap. All right, you see this first section. All right, you see this first section before the colon. All right, before this colon is the username, or is the port and what's it called, sorry, before this first column, this address, this is the what do they call it, the host. Okay, this 3600 is the port. Okay, then this long one before the next column, okay, is the username, then this is the password. All right, so the first one before the column is the host, followed by the port, followed by the username, followed by the password. All right, so they are all separated like that. Okay, so what we are going to do, let us do this. Let's start copying and taking them to our Tune to Tap. Okay, let's copy the first one. Okay, let's copy the host and the port. Where's Tune to Tap? Okay, just paste it here since we are using Tune to Tap. Okay, then authenticator. All right, let's do username and password. Username, so let us go and copy the username now. The username is what, this from here, this long thing here, that's the username. Okay, let's copy it. this advert won't kill them. So this is the username, alright? This is the username. So let us do the password. The last one after the colon is the password, okay? The last section is the password, okay? But if you are using, there are some proxy softwares that you just have to paste the complete link. They will do the division themselves, alright? So now that we've pasted everything, let us connect, okay? Connect. Okay, we are connected. Okay, so now let us check our IP. Alright, let us check our IP. Hua.net, okay. Hua.net. Load now, no waste my time. I don't get time for this nonsense. So once you check your IP and it shows you United Kingdom, you see United Kingdom, London, yeah, that is it. You are connected to the United Kingdom. So if you want to check any other thing, you can do your check. But if you don't, you are like me, you just stop at me. Once I see London, I do my work, alright. But you can do whatever check you want to see if the IP is okay for you. If it's not okay, you change it, alright. So I think that's that for that. We have generated your IP. Okay. So see you guys in the next video, right? See you guys in the next video.